Leslie here, and welcome to another daily video, nature journaling together, sketching and writing, getting grounded and centered. So as I think about the writing prompt for today, what's really coming forward in the environment for me is birdsong. It's really coming forward. I don't know if you can hear it. So I thought the writing prompt would be write about birdsong. You can write about it in any context. You can write about it at times of day. You can write about it if you're hearing it right now in your environment or imagining hearing it. And I like to imagine what the birds are actually saying. So maybe write an imaginary conversation of what they're actually saying. All right, take 2 minutes and come back around. How did that go for you? I got really tuned into the birdsong and really tried to take it into my body and system. I was only hearing one bird, and then I just heard in the very, very distance a blue jay or crow. But there's still this one bird singing, and I don't know what it is. I've been surprised by robins, the variety of song that the robins have and the beauty of their song. I never really thought of them as great singers, but I was definitely proven wrong by the robins in my trees and around me. So I wrote a little about birdsong. Birdsong. What are the birds saying? There are only a few birds left calling to each other at this time of night. It seems like there is a call and response happening that is very musical. Like, where does our music come from, right? There is a trilling and a pattern to it, and I tried to capture the pattern. Long, short, trill, I don't know. It's a lovely, liquidy, burbling type of song. Like, it's very easeful, and you can hear it, hopefully. Just has this burbling quality to it. To my ears, it sounds calm and sweet, not urgent or territorial. To my human ears, it sounds peaceful, like a signal, perhaps, calling everyone back home. Calling all the parts of us to come back home if we will listen. Okay, and for tonight's prompt, I'm losing daylight fast. I thought we would do small wonders. I noticed some seeds that I planted that I had given up on and thought they were eaten or just weren't going to sprouted after I planted these seeds in May, and one is just sprouting now. So I thought I would do a little sketch of that small wonder. So sketch a small wonder, discover a small wonder. Maybe there's something just in your immediate environment that is a small wonder, because really all around us is just a world of wonderment. The moss beneath our feet, in between the cracks of the patio bricks, the dandelion, that's a small wonder. Look closely at a dandelion and you will see the world of wonder inside of it. Take a moment to, perhaps this is a good invitation to take a moment to look at something that you feel is incredibly ordinary and see if you can discover the extraordinary within that. That would be a really great exercise. All right, so I'm going to sketch my little seed emerging. Here we go. So here in my planter, next to the sage and something else that's been sprouting for a while, is the seed that is coming up. Check it out. Wow. I mean, that's incredible. So I'm gonna do, while I smell the sage, which smells amazing, I am going to do a little sketch of this small wonder. So there it is, and this is something I can track the progress of as it grows, and that'll be pretty quick to track. So, but the beauty of the life emerging there, isn't that really spectacular to see life emerging in that way? So enjoy it. Enjoy the sage. Smell-o-vision. See you tomorrow.